Wine is gonna taste so good. Can't wait.
You know, 3 years.
I know. I can't believe we've lasted this long. I can't believe we've survived. Oh, I'm
You're
kidding.
funny.
I'm such a joker. I love joking around. Jokes, jokes, jokes. Oh, you almost got the wine open?
Yes, almost.
Before you get the wine, can you scratch my nose? My nose it's been itchy all day, so it's just like, yeah, a little bit further down. A little bit. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
My pleasure.
Oh, that was good. Oh, that was great.
Well, do you know what?
No, I don't know why.
I don't feel like wine today.
But it's a tradition. We always have wine and get really, really hurt. What do you mean you don't feel like wine?
Maybe I'm just a bit